Welcome to gift cards. Here we can create a new gift card. Inside the Create Gift Card widget, we can then choose a name. Underneath the name of the card, we can go and choose a descriptor. We can also choose if there's an expiration date for this card. Below this, we can choose if there is a URL that is provided at the end of purchasing their gift card to describe how to use it. We can choose a link and go and choose a dedicated landing page to redirect users to. There's also terms and conditions that you will copy, paste, or write on this page. After you have everything filled in on this page, in our case, we are not going to be providing a link, we'll go click on Continue. Here, we can select a template, upload a template, or create a gradient. In our case, we're going to create a gradient, but let's take a look at the other options. We can upload a template, which will then pull from our media library. We can also select a template by uploading custom artwork or creating a gradient. Underneath our gradient card, we'll go with the card defaults. We can also choose the direction of that gradient, and then we can add it to template if we would like. That way we can save it for later. Once we're happy with the design, we'll click on Continue. We can choose some denomination options. Let's say we'll do a 10, 25, 50, and 200. And we could also choose a custom amount. We can manage the gift card inventory by defining the quantity or allowing sales when out of stock. In our case, we'll do 100. We can also choose the tax for this gift card if that is applicable. Then choose the category and you can create additional categories underneath your account. Click on Continue to go to the final step. Here you will see a new expiry card. In this case, it doesn't expire, and for the QR code, this will be where people can redeem it. You also choose that there's no URL as we saw earlier, terms and conditions, expiry day, sell when out of stock, and as soon as you're happy with all the settings, click on Create Gift Card. Back at the gift card page, you can now see the card that we just created. When you hover over it, it has a little fancy animation. You've got a couple options now. We can go back to the editor, or we can choose to send, sell, grab the QR code. We can deactivate the gift card, or we can delete it. When we click on send, this will open up a send gift card page. We can go and select a customer. Once we have the customer, click continue. We can choose a message or pull a suggested message. Click on continue, select a value from one of the predefined values for this gift card, and we can choose how to deliver it. We can do SMS, email, QR code, and PDF. If we have an email, we have these other three options, but in our case, we just have an SMS. When we click on SMS, we can choose the delivery date, click continue, and on the right, we'll see the defaulted SMS preview. If we're happy with all the settings, we can click on Send Gift Card. This will send via your phone number through your account. Going back to the gift cards, we can also choose to sell them. If we click on the sell, we've got a couple of options. We have a live mode checkout link where we can click on copy. We can also embed a default checkout link for the gift cards. That way other people can go and purchase these gift cards. All purchases will then show up underneath transactions inside of your payment account.